Hello everyone and welcome to California Time, or should I say California Time News. So we've had a copy of a dealer memo which talks about price increases for a lot of the Volkswagen commercial vehicles. So this covers Caddy, Transporter, Shuttle, California, Crafter panel vans, Grand California, etc. Both on base vehicle prices as well as the options. And there's a bit of a sting in the tail in this, which we wanted to tell you about on the channel, and that is if you've got a Cali on order, the price protection that applies from when you placed your order. So stay tuned and let's run through it. Okay, let's get into it then. So this new set of revised pricing comes in from the 1st of December 2021, and I'll only go through a couple of these, but for Transporter of all kinds, apart from California, we see a 2% increase on list price. California 6.1 has a 3% increase, and Grand California has a 3.8% increase in list price from the 1st of December. The other thing with this memo as well is option prices are going up as well, and sometimes they don't do this, but this time they've decided to. So Transporter options are going up by 2%, California 6.1 options are going up by 2%, and Grand California options are going up by 1.5%. So there are other increases for different models and things, but I'm not going to go into all of that. So some really significant increases there. You know, it doesn't take a lot of maths to work out that this is adding thousands onto the cost of a California order. So a really significant increase in price. Obviously, Volkswagen are citing kind of international supply chain issues. I just have a look here. So it experienced significant price increases connected to the cost of raw materials and energy prices. That's what they're citing in the documentation. So, yeah, really tricky. One of the extra bits in this, though, is about the price protection. And what they're saying here, this does exclude Motability and stuff, very specific orders. But for the bulk of orders, what they're saying is if you place your order before the 10th of November, it is saying that all customer tagged orders up to and including the 9th of November 21 will receive price protection if registered and handed over by the 31st of March 22, excluding the California 6.1, which will receive price protection if registered and handed over by the 30th of June 22. So if you've got a Cali on order now and you ordered it before the 9th of November, as long as you take delivery of that before the 30th of June 22, they will honour the price that you signed up for as part of that price guarantee. Now, it says on April the 1st, 2022, or 1st of July 2022 for 6.1 California owners, any orders placed between the 10th of November that haven't been registered or handed over will be repriced at the 1st of December 21 price. So basically, if you've got a California that you ordered before the 10th of November, if it gets registered and delivered to you after the 1st of July 22, California owners, then it's going to be repriced at the 1st of December price. So basically have a look at adding 3% on for your list price and then 2% on for your options. Now, in terms of going forward, so any orders placed from the 10th of November onwards, so if you're thinking about placing a California order now and you're thinking about trying to beat that price rise on the 1st of December, I'm really sorry, but that's not going to happen this time, because they've basically said there will be no price protection on any orders placed from the 10th of November 21, and all of them will be repriced at the 1st of December 21 prices. So effectively, unless you're able to place an order for a van on the 10th of November and receive it before the 30th of November, you're going to be at the 1st of December prices. So really sorry about that. And that is really different because Volkswagen have had a price promise for Well, we had it on our T6, we had it on this 6.1, so you know, I think in the time that we ordered this 6.1 there were 2 different price increases after we placed our order, and we paid the original price we signed an order for, not the increased price. So a really significant moment there, really significant. So sorry to bring kind of slightly disappointing news, but we thought it was worthwhile just putting into a quick video. Just before we go though, some slightly more exciting news, a couple of quick things about things coming up on the channel. We have managed to find a friendly dealer who is going to let us have a go in one of these. And we realise this isn't specifically a California that I've just shown you a picture of, but that is a Transporter Sportline Black Edition. And if you know, you know, but if you don't know, you need to get to know, because they are something else. This is the kind of van which I swear a lot of people who have got cars who thought, I'm not driving a van, they need to have a look at one of these. They look amazing. So full body kit, black wheels, what does it say on here? Yeah, so it's got coilover suspension as standard. The seats inside and everything look incredible as well. So we're going to go and have a go in one of those. We're going to be lent it for an hour or two, so watch out for that over the next month or so. We're going to make sure we get that done, and hopefully that should be of interest to some of you. And I'd love to see a converted one of those into a camper at some point. It'd be absolutely incredible. So the other quick bit of news we've received today through the post are draw. So any of you who watched the live stream will have remembered that there was a bit of a debate about whether the small draw, extra draw that goes in the bench seat is worth it or not, and whether we should have one or not have one. Well, we've taken the plunge. We've ordered one. It came today in the post, just waiting on the rails for it because I've ordered those from somewhere else, and then we're going to do a fitting video of that, so you should be able to see that again. Give it a few weeks or so, and we'll get that shot and get it over to you. So lots to come on the channel. Hopefully you'll like the video we're going to put out on Friday this week as well. Bit something different, getting ready for winter. And then we've also got a comparison of the T6 and T6.1 coming up in a week or two's time as well. So yeah, really moving on with the channel. Hope you're enjoying the kind of content that we're putting out. If you do like this kind of thing, you know what to do. Hit the like button down below. Give us a thumbs up, comment down below the kind of things that you want to keep seeing. We love you all. Thank you all for subscribing when you do. It means the world to us. And we'll see you again soon for some more California time.